Today we're taking a closer look at the CUISINART ice cream maker. So this is a compact size, so it's good for a small space because it's going to take up very little room. You could even use it in your RV or small apartment. It makes many cold treats, not just ice cream, so you can also make it to use gelato, frozen yogurt, or sorbet. This ice cream maker makes 2 quarts, so that's 4 cups of ice cream, and it takes about 20 minutes to make ice cream, so you can make it pretty quickly. It's best to plan ahead for your ingredients and have your favorites on hand, and then you can just make ice cream anytime. Also, as a tip, if you keep your extra ingredients in the same place, it really saves time and frustration gathering up the ingredients every time you want to make ice cream. The control panel has an LCD display to control the speeds and countdown timer. And there's lots of recipes to try in the recipe book that comes with the machine. The white model also makes 2 quarts of ice cream, but it doesn't have the countdown timer or the LCD display, so just be aware of that. It's the more basic model that they offer. And they're easy to clean. You just have to wipe the machines down with a damp cloth after each use, and that's going to keep it looking and performing its best. And do be careful around the LCD display and the button area. The paddle can be set into warm soapy water and then rinsed after each use. And the bowl should be cleaned by hand, not in the dishwasher. Also, because the bowl can be easily scratched, do use silicone spatulas and spoons to get the ice cream out of the bowl, and then it's not going to get all scratched up. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching!